Hey everyone, I know it's been a while. Steve, back making some videos. Ohio weather, of course, so we'll see how long it lasts. We finally got a decent day to where we're gonna go over doing some door striker bolt installs so you don't have to slam the doors shut anymore. Um, just to go over a little bit here, we got the seal skin truck cover, and we'll see how good it did over the winter. Seems like it worked out really well. You got the 3 straps, one in the front, one in the center, one in the back. So we will uncover it and see what we got. A lot of wind today. Well, we'll see if this is going to work out or not. Try not to have to take the thing completely off. So, what I can tell, everything went pretty well. Nothing too crazy happened. Look. All right, so now we are gonna replace the door striker bolt. Problem is, these are supposed to have a plastic bushing on them, and both sides are missing. So this looks like it still has the old school Torx bit. We will either try to use that or most likely just grab a hold of it like it looks like it's had before with the pipe wrench and take it off. Be back in a second. All right, just to give you a little reference, I'm gonna be taking this off on the back side here, which I already loosened it a little bit, so it does come out by hand now. But we're going to remove this. I ended up having just a bigger pair of channel locks. Out there. And for reference, the new ones come with just that washer. You're gonna have a second one, always reinstall it. Pause it. So you're gonna have the Dorman 38-420. This is gonna be good for a lot of the 70s all the way through the 80s. Different cars, trucks, they're all the same. Summit Racing, $9.99. I paid for these a piece. Luckily, I only have a Summit Racing that's only like 45 minutes away or so, an hour. I drove down there a little while back, picked them up. Pause it for a second still. All right, so we were able to get it back on. Just simple, screw it right back in the way it came out. These new ones have a Allen key head, so I am gonna get that because I'm not gonna tear up this nicer looking area. Like I said, make sure you put that second set of washers back on, or however it previously came out. I did not want to show you how the door was not shutting because you have to slam it shut, but now shuts just like a brand new truck now again. So, like I said, simple fix. You gotta slam the doors. It's just stupid bushing that's missing. Again, the Dorman, part number 38420. Okay, you can pause it. We're gonna figure out what size we need here for the Allen key. If I have the size. Okay, got lucky. Let's see, it's gonna be the 3/8. Yep, 3/8 Allen key head. All right. Got her torque down. Make sure it shuts again good. It's all lined up. Perfect. Like a brand new truck again. Said for $9.99, it's a lot better than slamming your doors. Probably way too close.
Okay.
Guess we could still keep these old ones somewhere in the garage for now.
Pause.
Let's see. Go over a little bit.
Okay.
You're way too close.
Okay. Do you want me to show it in there?
No, I'll take it.
Okay.
So, it's been, like I said, all winter here. We're gonna go over a few things, check some oil, trans fluid, throw the battery back in there, and hopefully fire back up here for the first time this spring. I know we don't have a crazy amount of good weather. All right, let me go grab a few things here and check the oil and stuff like that. I bought this in November, drove it home, just vaguely kind of went over a few things in the interior and cleaned it up just a little bit. I didn't want to fiddle with it until I had those new door striker bolts, because like I said, you had to really slam these doors to get them to shut, and it was not good for the doors. So I go grab some paper towels, check the oil and transmission fluid. Just want to check it all before I start messing with it more. All right, check the oil. I mean, it might be like just ever so slightly low. We're only like maybe an eighth of an inch down on the full line. So, should be good for now. I'm gonna do an oil change here pretty soon anyways, once I know the weather's actually gonna stay nice. I know this ain't the right way of checking the trans fluid. I just wanted to make sure everything was good on at least having fluid in it. Because I never checked it, to be quite honest with you, when I bought the vehicle. So, definitely good on that. Check the radiator fluid here. We are definitely full on that. Top. Okay. I said I really never had a chance to go over it because I bought it so late in the year. I drove it home. Now, if that is the throttle cable, which I'm pretty sure it is, probably a good reason why I'm guessing it's not really wanting to depress pretty good, because I believe that, in my opinion, the throttle cable is a little on the longer side than what it needs to be. Well, hop in, we'll give her a shot here on starting it, see how it goes. Pause it real quick, so.
Oh.
Alright, we'll see what happens. Might have a dead battery. Alright, pause it, honey. Alright, we got a problem. Battery's dead. I don't have a battery charger, so I'm going to have to do that. I don't feel like trying to jump it. We're going to install the other door striker bolt, though, on the other side. It is nice, though, actually being able to shut the door and not have to slam it. Wonderful thing. So I'm assuming this side hopefully should go just as good as the other side.
Your hands are the way.
Such a simple fix, because I know a lot of people have this problem, and it's just something so stupid as a stupid plastic bushing that's missing on these. I mean, this is the other one I actually paused and put it on, but I'll actually show you a real time fact that literally here, not even a minute, and you could solve the problem of your door not shutting correctly. Like I said, don't forget to put in those other washers, because there's always one that's on there when you buy it. So you're going to want to get your, on this particular one, 3/8 Allen wrench. Okay. A little look-see here on the door. And this one might need a little bit more of adjusting. Not quite sure if it is this that needs to be moved over to allow the door to shut further in. We will try that first. You paying attention to me or? Personally, I've never had to deal with these before, so this is all on the fly here.
Oh my gosh, it's so windy. It's starting to rain. Yeah.
The door is shutting, but I'm not a body person by any means, so I'm going to have to definitely do a little bit of moving stuff around to get it to latch 100% properly. So I'm not too familiar with adjusting stuff, this, that, and the other. I'm not sure 100% if it needs to go, this actually needs to go further that way so the door shuts in further and locks around, or if it actually does need to come out. What's kind of upsetting is it was not supposed to be raining whatsoever today. Alright, that's actually really good right there. Doors lined up good. For whatever reason, you still gotta shut this one a little on the harder side, but not like it was by any means. It is adjusted all the way. Actually, the striker bolt is more this way. Yep, alright. A lot better than what it was. I have to try to get this cover back on if this rain's gonna keep up. Like I said, just that little bushing is what screws everything up. It is shutting a lot better now, but I am going to probably Oh yeah, I didn't even slam it that hard that time at all, but we're gonna have to get a battery charger before we go any further on messing with this. Unfortunately, there's a few things I wanted to try to do today, like of course start it back up, but we'll have to get it in another video. We'll see you guys later. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, any other things that you guys want to know, send me a message there. But 83 Chevy C10, 350 small block, 20-inch billet specialty wheels, and we'll catch you on the next one.